Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Life Coach D coming at you, and I'm coming at you on this beautiful sunny day. And I just want to encourage you with something for the week. This week has been very interesting, even in my challenges with people. And I am one of those guys that the cup is always halfway full. I live a very optimistic life and not a pessimistic life. And that is for multiple reasons. Life has happened and things have happened with me. Heard a lot of negativity growing up. And so I just vowed very young in age to not be that person that's cynical and negative. Whenever I encounter people, and if anybody knows me, they'll agree and amen this all day long. I just don't believe in negativity and being around people who are negative for too long before I say, hey, change your perspective, or I'll give them a way to look at things, or I'll try to shift what they're thinking about during that conversation or the interaction. A conversation happened this week. There's a lot of negativity flowing out of a particular individual's mouth. And I said to them, hey man, you're negative and your perspective is so negative that it's literally draining. And it was draining the particular conversation. They were very adamant about, no, I'm not being negative, I'm being realistic. And you know, you gotta look at the facts and you gotta look at what's going on. Again, I'm a very optimistic person. I'm a faith-filled person. So I never speak my circumstances. I believe that faith is taking things from the unseen realm and bringing them into the realm of reality, and we put it into perspective and speaking out by faith what we want to see. All of that to say, for anybody out there that may be looking at your circumstances and your situations right now, I want you to remember to never let discouragement stop you from progressing. Never let discouragement stop you from moving forward, because you are looking at what you see and you're making a permanent decision in a temporary situation. Let me say that one more time. Never let discouragement stop you from progressing. So again, I went back and I kept encouraging individuals like, listen, you have to change your perspective. If you don't change your perspective, everything is going to be negative. Everything is going to appear to be really bad, and it's just not going to end well. The overall encouragement is live a life where you feel as if when you speak certain things out, you can literally manifest those things, right? And this is not this whole claim it and name it buffoonery that has gone on in the church for decades now. It's literally step by step by step. Sometimes we want to get to a place in life where it's extreme and quick. And I heard this morning, which is very, very encouraging to me. This particular person I listened to said, we know that the elevator will get you to your destination quicker, but sometimes you need to take the steps. I'm saying all that to say, if you are a person who has been wired to be negative and your perspective has been negative, and because of your experiences and even your lack of faith, you speak out what you see, sometimes we got to go step by step, moment by moment, minute by minute, to get to that place where we are encouraged and not discouraged, okay? So that it builds your faith, and then once your faith is built, then you begin to speak out those things by faith and not necessarily what you see. Again, don't let discouragement stop your progress and your motivation and you moving forward. Like I said, this week has been very challenging. Had an amazing early part of the week, and immediately there was an attack on that caused a lot of things to be distracting, but I did not allow that to stop my progress. Yeah, I'm going through all these trees and stuff. I did not allow that to stop not only my confession, nor my progress, because I understand that situations will come in life, they're temporary, very, very temporary, but they're not permanent. Again, so never make a permanent decision in a temporary situation. Always keep your perspective positive, but most important, this is the last time I will say it. I know I've said it twice, but I think it's worth repeating. Don't let discouragement stop your progress, because the very moment you let discouragement do that, it's the very moment that you're not moving forward. You're not lining up with people that God may bring across your path, and then you're not lining up with your destiny because you've quit before the promise of that has come to full fruition. I hope that absolutely encourages anybody who may be looking at this. We're in very trying times, troubling times. Everything around us looks weird. Things are being snatched up and stuff is happening even politically, but God is still sovereign. God is still provident. Don't let none of that bother you, but continue to work on you. Continue to build your faith. Keep it positive. Keep your perspective optimistic. And I guarantee you, you will eat the fruit of the words that you speak. So why not keep it positive? That is what I have. So again, I hope that was an encouragement. So till you guys hear from me again, let's remember your lives are very valuable. Much love. God bless you, and peace be the journey.